Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. For those of you who are new, my name is Roxy, and in this video I'm going to be giving my hair like a color, molding it and styling it. And I like to give my hair a color, you know, when my hair gets kind of dull and brown, it does give me a nice little boost. It makes my hair look a little fuller. It just gives me like a refreshing kind of look. So I did wash my hair. I just washed it using I actually used a neutralizing shampoo. I like to use a neutralizing shampoo because it really cleans my hair and it makes the color stick a lot better. So the color I'm using is Adore in the color Jet Black. And I'm pouring it into a plastic container, like a Tupperware. And I'm mixing it with some conditioner. And this is a basic L'Oreal conditioner, and I'm using this conditioner so I can get like a condition and a color at the same time because I didn't condition my hair. And I learned this from the Hair Razor. So if you are interested in another short hair channel, the Hair Razor has a lot of short tips over there, so I'll link her below. So I'm just mixing that together. I guess I kind of do like equal parts, and I kind of like how the conditioner kind of thickens up the consistency so it's not so runny, and it's not like a deep conditioning day, so you know, a basic conditioner will do the job. So yeah, so I did put on some gloves because this, although it's a semi-permanent color, it can stain your nails and your fingers for, you know, quite some time unless you have the remover or if you have like a method to remove it. But anyway, just to avoid all that, I put on some gloves, and I rarely put on gloves for anything. So, but this is like one of the few times that I do wear gloves. So yeah, I'm just applying that to my hair with a dye brush, and I use this brush for relaxing my hair as well as dyeing. So this is just one of the styling tools, I call it, that you need to have in your arsenal if you have short hair. So yeah, I'm just slapping it through, and this is like similar to how I relax my hair, to be honest with you. So I'm just pasting everything through, and in no particular order really, just to make sure everything is like just doused in the color and the conditioner. And then I'm just adding some more color at the top here. And then once everything is, you know, pretty much throughout my entire head, just like when I do my relaxer, I'm going to just comb everything through to just make sure every single strand has color. And as you can see, it's starting to look blue. And I believe that the black hair dyes do have a blue undertone. And I don't know why, but I guess it's just a part of the chemistry. But I don't mind it at all because, to be honest, I do use black hair dye sometimes. As long as it can give me like a bold, rich look and just cover up any brown color, I'm fine with that. Okay, so now everything is distributed through. The next thing I'm using is my conditioning cap, or it's really a plastic shower cap, but I use it for deep conditioning, hair coloring, and showering. So it's something good to have. So I put that on. I let it sit for about 25 minutes before I washed it out. Actually a bit longer because I did clean the bathroom. But anyway, so I washed out the color, and that's how it looks. So I'm using now this oil treatment called One and Only. It's basically an argan oil treatment, and I'm putting this in my hair before I mold it, and this works. It is actually like a heat protector, adds shine and smoothness to your hair. It's like an anti-frizz serum, but I like to use it before I mold it. I don't know why, it's just been a habit of mine. But I really think it makes a difference in how like my mold comes out in terms of like the sheen and not looking dull. It just adds a layer of moisture, and I don't know, like it just doesn't hurt to have. So yeah, I'm just combing it through, just combing out my hair in the direction that I'm gonna kind of mold it in. And the foam that I'm going to be using today is Lata Body Wrap Me Foaming Lotion. And this has been one of my favorites so far. It smells really good. It gives you like a nice hold, and it has a nice consistency. So that's what I like about it. And all the products that I'm using in this video today, I will link it below. And if you watch any of my other videos, I try to link the products below if I find them on Amazon. They are affiliate links, so I will make a portion of the profit. But anyway, what I'm doing now, I'm just combing through the wrap through my hair. I'm combing through the foaming lotion through my hair because I'm just doing a basic mold. And I just noticed that my hair wasn't super wet before I put the foaming lotion. So now I'm just having to put more foaming lotion in my hair, but that's okay. And I'm also seeing my hair, it kind of has a blue tinge. It looks blue on camera here, like on the screen, but in real life, my hair does not look that blue. So I'm just guessing I don't know why. But maybe when the sun is shining on it, it might look a little bit blue, but I don't have a problem with that. But anyway, I'm just combing it through, molding my hair as per usual. This is like a basic mold. I always say this, a basic mold. No finger waves, no swoops, nothing like that. And I'm just molding it through. And I'm trying to make sure I get the foaming lotion from my root all the way to the tip of my hair. So on my scalp, like basically I want it to be on my scalp, not just on the surface, not just on the top of my hair. I hope that makes sense. So the wrap strips I'm using are the mega wrap strips. So they're not the junior ones, which are a little bit thinner. These are a little bit wider. And I'm going to use 2 of those, and these are very good to have. It's like one of the best things you can have for like a nice flat mold. And I'll leave a link for those as well if you would like to purchase them. But I purchased mine at my beauty supply store. And if you don't have those around you, there's another product you can use. It's like a spandex wrap strip with Velcro on it. I used to use that back in the day. If you can find that, that's good as well. So I did go under the hooded dryer for about 40 minutes, and my hair is completely dry now. So I'm just loosening it up with a wide tooth comb. And this is just preparing for me to add more products in it. And also, it's gonna make it easier to style it with the flat iron. So I'm gonna add some more of the argan oil treatment. Like I mentioned, it is a heat protector. It acts as a heat protector, and it gives your hair like a nice sleek look, and it adds shine to your hair as well. Okay. So this is the only heat protector I'm using today, and I've been using this for so many years now. It's just one of those staple products that you need to have in your short hair care package, in your arsenal. You know what I mean. So the flat iron that I'm using today is from the Red brand, and it's their 1/2-inch flat iron. And I've had this flat iron for such a long time, and I feel like it's just like the perfect in-between size flat iron, because the 1 inch is too big, and then the size smaller than that is just too small. So this is like the perfect in-between for like a typical pixie haircut. So yeah, I think I purchased this at the beauty supply store. It must have been when I was working there years ago. So that's definitely a good size tool to have. And yeah, I'm not over curling my hair or anything. I'm just combing it in the same direction that it was wrapped. So it's a pretty basic style. And really what I'm doing, I'm just prepping my hair for the week. So after I style my hair with the flat iron today, the only thing I need to do is wrap it at night, and then when I wake up in the morning, just add the moisturizing lotion and finger comb it, or just use a wide tooth comb to style it, so I don't have to use a flat iron for the rest of the week until I wash my hair or until I mold it again. So yeah, so I'm just continuing to style in that direction. And I love how the argan oil treatment, it gives like a nice sheen, and I believe the sheen does also come from the foaming lotion. So if you watch my one of my previous videos where I did like a mold and go with the waves, with the big waves. After I molded my hair with that foaming lotion, it gave off such a nice sheen, and I hadn't even put anything on it, and I was so impressed. So that's like one of the reasons why I fell in love with the Lotta Body foaming lotion. And no, this is not sponsored, may I say that, but I just genuinely enjoy using it. So yeah, and I do like the Nairobi wrapping lotion still to this day. Like I still have some, I'll still use it. But you know, when you're just so used to something, you kind of take it for granted, and you find something that you like in something else, and then you just continue using that new product. And then when you finally go back to that old product, you remember why you love it all over again. So that's going to be like my relationship with Nairobi. And I still enjoy using Nairobi nonetheless. So yeah, so I'm just continuing to curl. I'm working on the back here. And I'm pretty much just doing the lift method throughout the back, like the very lower back and the sides. And this is good for parts that you're not able to pick up with the teeth of the comb. And it's good especially if you can't really see the back. All you need to do is lift, and whatever you lift, that's what gets placed into the flat iron. Yeah, so I'm not doing this in any particular order. I'm just trying to make sure that there are no pieces that get left uncurled or, you know, without any heat applied. And honestly, I'm just finishing up any parts that I may have missed at the top, or any pieces of hair that are not going in the direction that I want it to. And just to tie everything together, I'm using the ORS Fortifying Cream Hair Dress. This adds like a nice layer of sheen. And like I said, it just kind of ties everything together, and it blends everything together very nicely. It's like a finishing cream. So this is pretty much like the finished look, right? I'm gonna show you guys the back here, and this is how it looks. I pretty much just take my fingers and I rake it in the same fashion that I would do with my wide tooth comb, right? So that I can take out any perfect curls or anything like that, so it could look more natural. And you know, just detailing the sides and everything. And this is pretty much it. I'm pretty much finished. I'm ready for the week. I don't need to flat iron my hair again for the next few days. All I need to do is wrap, finger comb, add moisturizing lotion, and go. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.